When you see the hologram, you see it. But what is the reaction? Based on the reaction, you're changing the position in time space. That position in time space will be seen from the positive, will be seen from the negative, because it's reality within the reality. And I just prove you how this actually merging, how it's happening. And that's why they say commutative of particles, because they're all communicating with each other, becomes like a cove, like a community of a conversion of a combination. And this is a new word, but I understood what they meant by it. Basically, the particle is reprinting and interact with each other with its own reflection. The one particle holds its own position in longitude, altitude. It can be all that it is, and it is all that it is, right? And the bridge is the rotation movement in a quantum field, and that builds fluid motion from one hologram to another. Basically, this movement, the way you see here, is actually the fluidity, the motion that you see when you're looking from above. In actuality, it's fractal, remember? But that fractal movement, that fluctuation of the sound, is actually what carried through one portal to another with very, if not almost the same sound wave. That's why you have this going this way. If you have a completely different sound wave, completely different vibrational sequence, from here you're going to disappear and be completely different reality. That's why the sound wave needs to be in fluidity, very similar in vibration, so you have this movement, right? Why when somebody end up screaming in front of you right away, you kind of still, everybody is shocked. What do? Oh, you're just staring and watching? No, if you expected it, yeah. But if somebody right at the moment starts screaming, you're going to be literally still in shock what you're seeing. And that could be somebody screaming or some kind of an event. It's going to be a shock at the moment. There's no reaction. That's because of that momentum, that lower resonance of frequency goes through your hologram, and you have to restructure it in order for you to have a reaction, because the fluidity is in completely different sound wave and is not the same and is not similar for you to, oh yeah, I understand that. It's going to be shock, momentum of rebuilding everything, restructuring everything, and then it's going to be a decision how to react.